you starting a YouTube channel?
Not really.
Well, you can always put it up and see what
It happens.
happens. Maybe somebody's interested.
It's so nice. Actually, so many wood in this place. It's
Yep.
small, but the smell.
That's why I like camping here.